What's up guys, Riley here from RP Productions, and I'm back out here at the Houston Cars and Coffee, which has an absolutely overwhelming turnout today. Should make for a lot of really nice cars leaving here today. I would go walk around and show you everything, but quite honestly I'd be here for a very long time, so in order to do my best with showing off the cars, we'll go ahead and show them off as they leave.
No.
Do burnout.
Oh yeah.
Those sound so good. That Ferrari. That camera.
Can't see anything. Oh, CTSV.
That was an ATSV.
Was it?
Yeah. Look at all these race cars.
No, that's the
Holden.
That's the Holden emblem.
Oh, there's a Lambo too.
It's the Holden emblem. Like Holden Commodore. Yeah, for real. They don't even count.
900 wheel horsepower.
Oh, God. That's badass.
Like a bicycle wheel.
Oh shit. Did you see that? He almost went the other way and hit the Lambo. I don't know, but there's a Grand Cherokee SRT8 coming in.
Y'all are late.
Wait, is the bus doing stop looking at it? That's so freaking hot. Here's that modded scat back, I think. they go right for it.
Hey, follow me on YouTube.
Look at my shirt.
Yeah.
Where you going? Where you going? Where you going? That's about right. Okay. I'm through. All the way in there. Yeah, I gotta get up. Remember the Mustang dude when the guy flipped? He came out of that. Why am I weak?
Here's the license plate saying he's weak.
Don't do it. Actually do it. Do it. Do it. Yeah. I want somebody to do a burnout right now. Right now.
I want them to not see the combo. He's like fucking like turnouts.
He won't U-turn though. He won't.
He's gonna bitch at everyone on the side of the road.
Yeah.
He's waiting. He just cut off the
He's so... He's confused.
He literally wasn't even looking at the road. He's just on his computer, like.
That guy's just jaywalking right behind me.
I know.
Fucking Mustang, that's right.
No, he's going.
Is he really?
He's not giving us a win.
Next to the DT350.
I dare you to jump.